Hello everyone, how are you all today? I came up with very interesting topic which is FBA calculator. So in this topic, I will tell you how to use FBA calculator and what are the benefits of using FBA calculator. So once you are done with the product and you want to proceed to the next step, which is sourcing, you need to go to the alibaba.com. Let's say our product is pizza peel. I will search up here pizza peel. So yeah, let's say we are looking to source pizza peel in a steel material. For that, I will head to alibaba.com. I will search here pizza peel. So after search pizza peel on Alibaba, I will get various of the suppliers. What I need to confirm from the supplier is supplier must be verified, have at least 2 years of experience, and have above 4.6 star rating. So I will scroll a bit down to find exact what I'm looking for. So um, furthermore down. Okay. So yeah, this supplier seems good to me, and he is giving for 2.20 to 2.30. Yes, we can further negotiate from this supplier, and we have to contact at least five of the suppliers. So we have to best match the price from the all of the suppliers, and whoever is giving the best price and giving the better quality, we have to finally approach that supplier. So this supplier is verified and have 10 years of experience, but his rating is not really good. So I will move forward to the next supplier. Yay. So this one seems good to me because he's giving for 3.26. Yes, of course I can negotiate a bit further, but he is verified and have at least and have above, sorry, 10 years of experience. Oh my god, very good. And 4.7 star rating. Yes, I am interesting to contact with this supplier. I will click on his listing and then I will click on messages. Okay, while writing the message to the supplier, we need to be very professional. We need to introduce ourselves about our company, how many units we are looking for, and yes, the manufacturing time and all that things. And once you will get the price code from 5 to 6 suppliers, whatever best match to you with the better quality, just contact him back and tell him, can you, hi mate, can you please negotiate a bit further because I really like your product and I want to proceed and this product with you. And of course, I will reorder this once I will sold out my previous stock. So yeah, after getting the price quotation, we will head to FBA calculator, which is our main topic. So what FBA calculator do? FBA calculator tell us in advance how much profit we are going to make from this specific product. So I will search FBA calculator on the Google. Yes, I can continue as a guest. So here I will write down the main keyword of my product, which is, sorry, pizza peel. Pizza peel, yes, come up. Just search it. This one best match with mine because steel one. And yes, I got two options here. One is Amazon fulfillment, which is FBA, and other one is your fulfillment, which is FBM. So the difference between FBA and FBM, I am pretty sure you all know about it. So yeah, I'm doing FBA. So I will put all the information in FBA section. So first one says item price. Item price will be the price in which you want to sell on amazon.com. So you can take a roughly idea from amazon.com how much your competitors are selling for. So yeah, I will scroll down and will take the bit idea from my competitors. People are selling for 26 to $30. Yeah, some are selling for a bit low because they are, I'm sure, new and they want to boost their sales. But that is the next step. So at this stage, $24 is the best price because most of these sellers are selling for $24. So I will put here $24. Ship to Amazon, yes. Ship to Amazon is the DDP cost. DDP means the shipment from China to Amazon warehouse in America, and that can be known by the sorry, manufacturer, or you can request the shipment company, can you please quote me the price? But I'm pretty sure manufacturer can give you the price because they have enough experience and they can quote in advance. So according to my experience, it usually costs 2.50 $2.50 for each unit. And average inventory unit stored, yes, of course, I'm going to calculate for each unit. And cost of product will be the cost which the manufacturer has charged you per unit. So yeah, once I showed you on Alibaba that this supplier is asking for 4.22, but I'm sure after negotiate he will come down to 3.25. And we can add $1 for advertisement cost as well. What is advertisement cost? Advertisement cost include PPC, giveaways, coupons, and all that thing. So I will divide that budget to each of the units. So it's roughly $1 for each unit. So 3.25 for the manufacturing cost and $1 for advertisement, altogether 4.25. And after putting all this information, I will just click simply here on calculate. So there you go. We got profit. Here we are getting 16.75% profit from this product, and for each unit, we will get $4.02 profit. So yeah, this is how we get we calculate the profit in advance before doing manufacturing or before proceeding further with the product. And yes, about your fulfillment is FBM. Firstly, I will erase all of this information from FBA so it don't interrupt to our FBM calculation. Okay, let's move this as well. So here on FBM, let's say if you are doing FBM, so you have to put the same as you have put it on item price on FBA. So item price is, let's say, um, $25. And shipping in on FBM you charge shipping by yourself from the customer. So if you click here on little information section, it's a price charge to the customer for shipping. So another name is delivery charges. So yeah, most of the FBM sellers charge $3 per unit from the buyers for the delivery. And here, yes, you will put the extra charges. I mean, if you are hiring any labor, packaging materials, ship to customer, and customer service, yes, you will add all of the extra charges if you are paying for. So the next step is, yes, we will calculate profit from each unit, and cost of product is same. We have put it on FBA 4.25 included. Advertisement cost as well. So I will click here on calculate. So by doing FBM, I'm getting 72% of profit and nearly $20 per unit. But yes, there is big difference between FBA and FBM, because on FBA, Amazon totally take responsibility of your shipment, about your stock and all that thing, about the rating reviews and about the yes refund as well. But on your fulfillment, you are the person who will be responsible of each and everything. Thank you so much guys for listening this video, and do comment me and ask me question if you have. I'm more than happy to answer all of your question. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead.